Good morning, January 31st. The first month of the year is coming to an end. It has been so different, rich, joyful, and sad. We thank it for every lesson and every moment. Today we open the next Power of the Word page. Our message is: I'm grateful to the universe for my strong health and harmony within my soul. This is my quiet prayer, my foundation, where I begin each day. I focus on these words to hear the response within. Let's try together. Find a comfortable place and position. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling the air fill your lungs. And slowly exhale through your mouth. Bring your attention to your body. Listen to your heartbeat. Stay for a moment in this silence and calm. Say to yourself, I thank every cell of my body for its strength, tireless work, and strong health. Imagine how with each word the light of health flows from your heart to your fingertips. How strength fills you and energy charges every inner reserve. Somewhere within this light, your soul is like a quiet, peaceful lake. Say inwardly, my inner world is in complete peace. I am in harmony with myself and the universe. Feel how the health of your body and the calm of your soul merge into one stream. Color this moment with shades that feel comforting to you. Stay in this state. Offer yourself a warm smile and gently return to the here and now. Remember this image. Return to it during the day, even for a minute, to feel the calm again. We open the path to to ourselves gradually. Everyone receives their response in their own time, and you will not miss it. Have a peaceful day. Your advance embrace.